In this guide, you'll learn how to recover deleted photos from Messenger. Let's get started. First, launch your Facebook app, then click on three bars, then head over to the option Settings and Privacy, then navigate to the option Settings. Now click on this section Account Center. Here you're going to find different option. Click on the option Your Information and Permissions. Click on Export Your Information. Click on Create Export. Then click on Export to Device. Then click on Customize Information. Clear out all of these and check in for the option Post. Likewise, Feed and Memories, as these will also include the photos. Now click on Save. Now select the format, date range and media quality. Once you are done, click on Create. You'll be prompted to enter your Facebook's password, type in that, and with that you have requested for the file download. After the file is ready, you'll be notified, and the file will also include the deleted photos. So this is how you can easily recover deleted photos from Messenger. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.